Yeah, yeah.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment.
Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe.
So this is basically what my braids looks like. They're already pretty rough. I've had this in for a while, but I wanted to have this hair for another week, so I decided to refresh the front of the hair. What you're going to need is a good edge control. I'm using this one by Cream of Nature. And then you just want to put that edge control on the root of your hair. And then you want to sharpen the part. I used my nails sometimes I used a comb to sharpen the parting space. Whatever you want to use is fine, really doesn't matter. And then you want to start twisting like this. That's how it's going to look fresh. Make sure not to twist too tight because you're probably going to have a headache or pull out your hair. So just twist to where it is neat enough but not uncomfortable for you. And after doing that, you're going to go ahead and pin the hair to the back. I'm going to be using one of these that I got from Amazon and basically just pin it to the back. Now on to the next step. This is one of the most important steps. You want to take your Got to Be Glued gel and just put just so little onto the root of your hair. This is just going to ensure that it lasts a couple days before you have to redo the whole process again. So I just went ahead and I did the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs with the same Got to Be Glued gel. After laying your baby hairs, just go ahead and tie it down with a satin scarf. Whenever I tie the scarf, I like to press down on my edges a little bit just so that I'm sure the scarf is really like holding it down. Then I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes. You do not want to leave it longer than that because if you do, your scarf is not going to come off, okay? So it's been 3 minutes already and I just went ahead and I took off the scarf, and this is basically what it looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.